guys, this is Kelsey from Frankly Natural Beauty, and this is the soap we're going to be making tonight. It's called Purple Onyx, and this is a soap we made for our event called the Dark Side Night Market. It's going to be on the 29th at the Buckley Public Market.
Okay, hi everybody, this is Kathy, and here we are again with a new soap in the making here. This soap is inspired by the market where we are. They have an event that's called, what is it called, Kelsey?
The Dark Side Night Market.
Yeah, and we gonna, Kelsey's getting mad at me because I'm not remembering that. But anyway, I made those skulls over here. Oh, those little skulls. Right there, sorry, it's upside down. Right there, they're gonna go on top of my soap, and the color scheme is black and purple and a little bit of a sparkly mica. I'm gonna make a mica line and the first layer of the soap, and then it's gonna be a swirl with purple and black, and the top I think I'm gonna make a rosettes, and I'm gonna put the skulls on top. So I'll see how it goes. So let's get soaping here right now. Let's start with the first layer. What I have in here is my usual oils, and it's palm oil, coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, almond oil. And I'm gonna put in here charcoal powder to make it really, really black. So let's go and mix the lye solution with the oils. All right, so let's do this. Alright, so that's for the first layer. I'm going to mix these up, the oils and the lye solution, and I'll see you guys in a jiffy. Okay, we're back, and what I'm going to use for fragrance oil is this beautiful fragrance oil that I got from Essential Depot. It's jasmine, so I'm going to put it in here, and I'm going to mix this up. Oh, it smells so beautiful. If you like jasmine, you'll love the soap. Okay, so let me put some of my charcoal in here. Let's see how black we can get this. Okay, so let me get my mold and we'll pour it. It'll be just 1 second. Alright, so let me pour the first layer over here. Okay, here's the first layer. Oopsie. Sorry about all this. Alright, I'm going to reserve some of this. A little bit of it. Okay. So there we go. Got a little messy over here. Okay, I'm going to smack this down because I want to make sure that's leveled. Okay, so we're going to shut the camera down there and do that. I'll be back. Okay, so now that my charcoal layer here is ready, it's pretty solid over there, it doesn't jiggle anymore. I'm going to put a mica line on that, and I'm using the Brambleberry. What is it? This snow, what is it called, Kelsey?
Snowflake Sparkle Mica.
Yeah, pardon me, but I am kind of tired. I can't think today. Okay, so now we're gonna do the main soap layer, but you know, the top layer is, it's gonna be more like a half and half on on this one. And what I'm going to do with this one, I'm going to split it in two parts. One is going to be purple, and the other one is going to be a little bit of black using the charcoal again, and we're going to do an in the pot swirl. Okay, so let's start doing that. Alrighty, let's not get the wrong one. Okay, so let's do this. Here's my lye solution right here. My lye water solution. I'm going to put it in here. Alright. There we go. Okay, I'm going to blend this and I'll come back. And now that we have all the oils and the lye solution emulsified together, and I don't think we're at traces because my oils are really kind of thick right now. I used my palm oil and my coconut oil got kind of cold, but that's okay. They are almost the same temperature as the lye and the oil, so around 75 degrees. So I'm going to put my jasmine fragrance oil in here. It smells so nice. I love the smell of jasmine. That is a beautiful, beautiful fragrance oil. Alright, so see what I said before? Kind of gives a green, kind of like a green tint all over it. But then it goes away. I'm going to put some in this one over here. It's going to be the one that's going to have the black. And this main one here is going to be the one who's going to have the purple. So let's do the purple first. Mix my purple here. This is a really nice purple. I'm trying to get everything out, so let me get a little spatula here. Kelsey's not feeling really well today. She has a cold. That's what usually she doesn't talk at all. Today she's unusually quiet. There we go. How are you feeling, Kels?
Not 100%, but I'm managing.
You're managing, huh? And now I'm going to work on my black here. Alright, so I have mixed everything in, the purple mica there and my charcoal. So now we're going to do the swirl and the butt swirl. I really want this to have a lot of black in it. But I don't want the black to, to mix in too much. Alright. Okay, so I'm gonna move my mold over here and I'm gonna pour. Okay guys, so I'm piping little rosettes kind of thing here. Alright, so, and now I'm going to put some sparkly stuff on it. And I was thinking about, instead of the sparkly mica, I'm going to put some brambleberry eco glitter here, rainbow glitter. Okay, so I'm going to put a little bit of brambleberry glitter over here, the multicolored one, the rainbow glitter, and it's a bio glitter. It's really cool. I love this stuff. There you go, guys. This is the one. This is the skull soap here. Like I said before, I don't know what to name it, but it looks pretty cool, doesn't it? It's a little bit of glitter on it. Went on top of the skulls, but I mean, that's cool. That's very cool. And there you have it. My new soap here that has no name. Okay, so we're gonna wait as usual a couple days and see what's inside, how it came out inside. I'm very curious, and see how, if the mica line worked or not. But I really like the top. I think the top looks really cool. Okay, so see you guys in a second. 2 days for us, for you, just a second. Okay guys, here we are. I just molded my soap, and I came up with a name for it. It's gonna be called the Purple Onyx, and this one is gonna be available the 29th. And I made this especially for an event that we're having at the public market in Buckley. Okay, so that's what it looks like. I didn't slice it yet, but that's what it looks like out of the mold. I am quite pleased with that. See the line over there? It came out. It looks gorgeous. And that's the top over here. Little sparkly. Look at the cool. Alright guys, here I am. And I'm gonna cut the first slice. So I'm just gonna make sure that doesn't cut the whole head here. So I'm trying to measure it to make sure it goes where it's supposed to go. There we go. And that is where it's supposed to go. Alright, so I hope that works for the all soap. Let's see what happened here. Ooh, that looks really good. Yeah, this is the back. And did you see the mica line that I made? It came out really, really good. And I really like the swirl over here. This is what I wanted. So that's the back. I mean the first slice that I'm going to plane. So we can see the mica line on this side too. I'm going to do that later. But look at this. This is beautiful. So let me cut another slice. Just gotta be careful when you have embeds. So sometimes you can cut the embeds, and we don't want that to happen. Oh my gosh, this is more beautiful than the other. Look at that. And this is, I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what it looks like on top. Can you see it, Kels? You can zoom in if you want to show what it looks like. Alright, so let's go and cut the rest of it. Let me cut one more slice. But look at that, the mica line is just perfect. This soap came better than I imagined. I really like it. I think I'm very pleased with it. Another little flowers there. In fact, yeah, that's what happens when there's a flower. I should have taken on the other side, and so I got what I got. I got a little dent here. The flower went down. But that's okay. Still good. I'll fix that later by planing it. But I am very happy with it. Can't be more pleased. So I'm going to finish this. I'm going to cut the rest of the loaf. And then I am going to show you every single bar, what they look like. So I'll see you in just a second. Okay, so I did cut the entire loaf. And that's what they look like. I think they look pretty amazing. I'm really happy with this. And I think I'm going to make more kind of like this for Halloween. What do you guys think? Should I make something, this one is something similar to this for Halloween too. I know this is not Halloween yet, but this is for a special event. So I made those just for that. And I know there are a lot of people that are in this kind of stuff. It's not just Halloween. I think those soaps are amazing. And I think I'm going to be doing more of these. More like a dark kind of soaps. Okay, so this is it for this video. Thank you for watching our videos, and please don't forget to subscribe, to tell your friends and family. We appreciate it. And don't forget to ring the bell, so every time I make a new video, you guys can see what I'm up to. Also, you can follow us on Instagram at FNatBeauty, and on Facebook on Frankly Natural Beauty. Thank you so much for watching, and you have a wonderful day or night, wherever you are. Love you all. Thank you for subscribing, for all you guys that subscribed already. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget to love each other. Alright, bye-bye.